Okay, so today we're going to learn about literal equations. And literal equations are just like solving a regular equation in one or two steps, except for you're not eliminating or simplifying any numbers. You're just isolating the variable that it's asking you to find. So in the first example, if we're asked to solve for r, that means we need to get r by itself. Okay, so if we need to get r by itself, we need to figure out what is around it. So r is being multiplied by t. So the inverse of multiplying would be dividing. So let's divide by t to get rid of it. And whenever you do to that side, you have to do to the other side. Okay, and now we're going to bring this all down. So t over t equals r. So now we got r by itself. Let's just write it with r on the right. So r equals t over t. Okay. In example 2, we're asked to find y. So we need to get y by itself. Okay, so to get that, we need to figure out what is around y, and y is being divided by z. So the inverse of dividing would be multiplying, so let's multiply by z in order to get rid of it. We have to do that to the other side as well. Okay, so we have x times z equals y, and now we've gotten y by itself, so we'll just rewrite it as y equals x times z. And then the last example, this one is a little bit more difficult. It's just a little bit tricky. So you need to get x by itself. So we need x by itself. Okay? These are technically called like terms. So if you had 2x plus 3x there, you would simplify this to 5x. So we're going to do the same thing with your k and your y. So k plus y times x. But we would write it with the x out front. So x times k plus y is what we're going to simplify this entire thing for. So we have u equals k plus y with that x in the front. Okay, we're just combining my terms. When we do this, we can now get x by itself and divide by the k plus y because it's being multiplied, so we're doing the inverse. And we have to do that to the other side as well. When we simplify this, we have u over k plus y equals x. So we have x by itself now, and we're just going to rewrite it as x equals u over k plus y.